Test and reset button on the breakers in the panel box. To test or reset the breaker, locate the electrical panel box and open the panel door. Notice that each switch is clearly marked as to what it controls. Locate the arc fault breaker or breakers with the blue reset button. Push the blue reset button to test the breaker. This will cause the breaker to turn off. To reset all the breakers in the panel box, flip the tab to the off position and then back on. The LED light will come on briefly. The light will then go out, which indicates that the breaker has reset and is working. If there is more than one arc fault breaker with a blue reset button in the panel, repeat this sequence with each one. Note, some breakers do not have LED display light.